Okay guys, here's part 2, the unmolding of what we did yesterday, part 1. I forget what it's called. I'll have it on here. So, the one on the right is Calabaza Orange. And I did 3 layers with the pearl and the white, okay? Oh, that's pretty. Still don't get the circles, but I don't know, that's pretty, huh? Okay. This is the coral. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I put glitter in there too, remember? This looks more like it. A little bit more like this one. Boy, these are so pretty. Probably shouldn't have done a yellow one. It's so different. I don't know. It's so different. Sure looks funny from the back. Oh. Looks like a sun. Gee, that's beautiful. Okay. I'll make sure I list everything either in part 1 or part 2. Everything I used, okay? All right. I'm going to do another video for the experiment I did yesterday off camera, just to show you what I did. All right, so I'll just put that up by itself. All right, thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.